What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving you a walkthrough of exactly how you can apply for a healthcare assistant job in the United Kingdom by yourself. Yes, you heard that, by yourself. Please make sure that you watch this video to the very end because it is in steps, and if you miss any of the steps, you might not be able to get what I have said in those steps, so it will affect the following steps. And when you ask me questions about what I've already said in the video in the comment section, I might not reply you because that is the reason why this video has been made. So please watch it to the very end. Like this video, leave me a comment below, share this video with somebody, and subscribe if you have not. So right now I'm on my computer, and you can also do this same thing on your phone. So whether you have a phone or a laptop, you are good to go. So go to your browser. Right now I'm using the Chrome browser. You can use any browser that is available on your laptop or on your phone. Then the next thing you want to do is at the search bar, this search bar, you need to put in healthcare assistant jobs sponsorship and search for that. So once you click that, normally this is what should come up for you. It will give you, it might not give you this exact same ones that I am seeing. I think it's based on location, so it should bring you something like this. So just click on it, click on whatever it brings to you. As you can see, this particular one says care assistant tier 2 visa sponsorship. So I'll just click on it, and then it will take me to their website. And this is okay, this is still Google. And so expand it to read more about it, and as you can see, it says tier 2 visa sponsorship. So tier 2 visa sponsorship is like the same thing as health and care visa sponsorship. Like, it's the kind of sponsorship that you need in order to work in the United Kingdom. So they are telling you this is where this is, like this is the location in England, and their sponsorship, and this is the location, this is the name of the, what's it called, this is the name of the company that is recruiting for them. So join Novel Care as a care assistant and get tier 2 sponsorship to live and work in the UK for up to 5 years. So if yours is not bringing out this particular one, you can just copy this name and just look them up on Google. So I'm just going to scroll down now. Here they are saying company introduction, we are this is and that, rated good since 2017, role description. Now you need to read this carefully first so that you don't waste your time contacting people that don't offer sponsorship. Now from what we've seen so far, it is clear that this particular company is offering tier 2 sponsorship. So we want to read more about the role of the care assistant, about what they are looking for. So this will help you in your preparation. It will help you, I'm assuming that you are watching this because you have been told by agencies that your country is on a red list. They cannot look for job for you, so you have to do it by yourself. So if you have to do it by yourself, you need to know what these companies are looking for. You need to know what they want so that you'll be able to put everything together before applying or in the process of applying, so that you don't miss out anything. So they said they are looking for care assistant for their clients with compassion and diligence. Care jobs are about supporting blah 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 blah. They tell you the overview of what care job is. Now they are saying these are your key responsibilities. So you support people in their own homes and facilities in the community, domiciliary care and support, promoting independence, personal care, medication support, meal preparation, home support task. If you have not watched this particular video where I talked about how to relocate to the UK healthcare assistant in 2022, I would suggest that you watch that video after watching this one. In that video, I talked about some requirements, things that you need to have, or you need to start preparing to have, because these are the things that most of them will actually ask you for. So let's scroll down. It's saying that previous care or healthcare experience is an advantage for care jobs but not a necessity. In that video, I remember I mentioned that it's important that you attach yourself to a hospital so that you can like do like 6 months or 300 hours of job with them, like learn the nitty-gritty of healthcare assistance, and just for you to have experience and know what you are coming to the UK to do. People from hospitals, community support, or care home jobs are a good fit, but equally childcare or retail backgrounds often prove beneficial. So what they are looking for are people skills, even if they are gained from helping a relative. So I've got some people also asking me like, oh, they've not worked in the hospital, but they've been taking care of their grandma, their grandpa, their children who needs a particular kind of support. They've been helping them for a while, for 6 months, for 1 year. Can they also apply? So this particular sponsor is telling you that yes, you can apply, even if your experience is gained from helping a relative. You can apply. So when you are doing this, when you are searching online, you need to really read in between the lines, so that you know those that that can accept people with people who have gained experience from helping a relative, and those who will not accept. Now some people will tell you no, they won't accept, while some people will say yes, they will accept. So this particular one, they are accepting, which is a good one. Having a driving license and access to a car is essential for a full-time home care role, since you need to travel to different addresses throughout the day. Previous healthcare or care experience is an advantage. Retail, childcare, or customer service is a great fit. No experience necessary. Driving license and car essential for full-time. Level 2 diploma in health and social care beneficial. NVQ2 health and social care beneficial. So these are the requirements, these are the things that they need, these are the things that they want you to have. So anyone that you do not have there, now is the time to start trying to put all these things together. If it is a training, register for the training. If it's to get your license, start working towards getting your license. If it's experience, start trying to get experience. Training to care certificate standards beneficial. Tier 2 sponsorship available for UK based and overseas candidates. This is very, very important, because some people will tell you that Tier 2 sponsorship is only available for people that are already in the UK, but this one is saying that whether you're in the UK or you're overseas, Tier 2 sponsorship is available for you, and you must be willing to relocate to Norwich, UK, and then they tell you the benefits and all that. So from what we can see, so these are the benefits. Your hourly pay will be £10.10 to be paid monthly. Since you'll be traveling between private addresses in your own vehicle, will compensate you at 45p per mile for your travel costs as a car owner. And then they tell you every other thing: progression opportunity, care certificate, training provided for free, and all that. So now that we know what these people want, you can then go ahead and apply. That's if you already have what they are looking for, all the requirements that they have stated. Then you click on apply. Click on it. It will take you to their own website. Then you'll be able to go ahead and click on apply now. Apply for job. It asks for your first name, surname, phone number, email address, and all that information in support of your application. So you write your cover letter here, then you upload your CV here, and then you go ahead and you send your application. So that's it, you have applied. And if you think you still need more inquiries before you apply, every of these websites, they always have an email that you can send your inquiries to. So for this particular one, it is enquiries@noviewcare.co.uk. And my people, please, when you are sending mails to these people, when you are sending emails, Like, read in between the lines of the job description and everything. Don't send them emails about things that they've already stated on their websites. I noted a lot of this when I was interacting with some people via email or via DM. Like, things that have already been stated, people will still come and be asking. See, there are a lot of people, a lot of people. I am not an agency, and I am not a company that is offering job. And if I, as just somebody on YouTube giving out information, if I can be getting hundreds of emails and messages per day about this particular sponsorship something, know that the people that are offering that sponsorship, they will be getting thousands of emails every day. So when you are contacting them, go straight to the point and make sure that you are sending an email asking about something that they've not already said before. Please, this will prevent a lot of back and forth, and it will prevent them from ignoring you. And when you ask things that they've already said, it shows that you are not paying attention. And for you to work as a care assistant, you need to pay attention. Like, it is very important. So that is how you search. So I'll just go back to the main one now, and then you go ahead. See, on this left side there's another one. You click on it, you do the same thing. You click on it, you do the same thing. You keep on doing that. Don't just send one or two applications and say, oh, that is it. At least 10. Send at least 10 applications to different companies. Let's check out another company. And according to Google, this one are showing me based on my location. A lot of you guys know that I'm based in Newcastle upon Tyne, so it's showing me based on my location. So let me see. Let me pick somewhere else. Let's pick Concepts. Okay, so it's still the same company. I'm just going to go back to the main Google page now. So this is the main Google page, and then I'll just scroll down and look for more people. I think we've seen this one before. 23 more. It's still the same set of, the same company. So I'll just try another company now. So I'll scroll down. This is a job website in UK, indeed.com. So just click on it. That's another one. And then here we can see care assistant tier 2 in country. See, these ones are very, very clear. Very, very clear. See, you must already be living in the UK and require tier 2 sponsorship and looking to relocate if need be. So if you're already in the UK, you know that this is a good one for you. You can just go ahead and apply. But if you are not in the UK yet, if you are still in your country, your own country, then don't even bother to apply, because you are wasting your time and you are wasting the time of the employers. Don't waste your time. See, the time that you use to apply for this one, you use that time to look for other jobs to actually apply for. So we'll go back now, and then we look out for more. I'm just going to scroll down. Okay, this one is saying care assistant UK tier 2 sponsorship. Let's click on it and see. Okay, so no experience is necessary, fully training, clinical. We also welcome individuals with previous healthcare or support worker experience, or those who have experience in retail, customer service and hospitality, who have the right transferable skills to become amazing care assistants. Okay, so if you have any of these, retail, customer service and hospitality, without having healthcare experience, this is a good one for you that you can apply for. As you can see, they've already stated it here that you can apply, so you can apply. Now, if working life has been impacted by you, don't worry, we'll take good care of you. Okay, so this is the important part. Tier 2 sponsorship will be provided to the successfully completed interview, IELTS, and other required immigration point-based requirements candidates. So as you can see, they've already stated IELTS. So if you don't have IELTS, I mean, you should know that you start preparing for your IELTS. And like I said, I think I've mentioned it earlier, IELTS, the IELTS band that you need is 4.5, and it's UKVI General. UKVI General IELTS 4.5. Now they are telling you that their rate is between 10 and 13 pounds per hour, and all that and all that and all that. Then the responsibilities and all that. Now for this particular job, okay, so driving license is preferred, fluent English, work authorization, United Kingdom. So they prefer someone who's already in the United Kingdom, but that doesn't mean they won't consider somebody who is outside of United Kingdom. So if you are outside of United Kingdom, you can still apply for this, although they will prefer somebody who is already in the United Kingdom. You get? So you continue like that, and you keep on searching, keep on submitting applications, and keep on praying that they will reply you and call you for interview. I'm going to scroll down now and see Care Assistant UK Tier 2 sponsorship, the same thing. UK residents only, female care assistant visa sponsorship. See, these ones are very clear also. They only want UK residents and they only want females. Let's scroll down. Senior care worker sponsorship available. Let's see what they have to say. Full time, 18 February, Canary Wharf, East London. Summary, 39 hours per week, and the salary is £20,480 per annum. And let's see, so those are the responsibilities and what they expect you to be able to do. Now, person specification, qualification and training, senior care healthcare services experience. So these ones are stating that you need to have experience. So that's why it is important for you to actually like read in between the lines for each of the jobs. No two jobs are the same here in the UK. Some might say they need experience and some will say they don't need experience. So this particular one says they want experience, skills, knowledge and experience, knowledge of care, IT, Microsoft, Google Drive and other relevant software. Okay, personal qualities, reliability, flexibility, all those. And when you are preparing for your interview, all these things that they've stated here, it is important for you like to mention them, that you have it, you know. And then they said entitled to work in the UK and under sponsorship. So if you are not in the UK yet, I don't think this is for you. Ability to work night shift. So you keep on searching until you see the ones that is right for you. So now let's go back to the main page of Google. I'm back to the main page of Google now. I'm going to try and see other ones. Okay, so this is another one, Tier 2 sponsorship healthcare worker, read.co.uk. And this application has ended already. Let's see if there's another one. There's no other one here. Okay, let's go back. I'm just going to scroll down again. You know, just keep on picking each one of it one by one and reading through, you know, and taking note of all that I have said, and then go ahead and apply, you know, and then prepare for interview and pray that, you know, they get back to you as long as you've gotten, you know, all the requirements and everything. I'm going to be linking that video again in the description box below in case you haven't seen it. I also have a checklist that will be useful for you in this process, so you can just download it. I'll be linking it also in the description box below.
I really hope this is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I really appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.